Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to make a creamy red skin mashed potato. So I know it's been a while since I've cooked for you guys, but I'm so excited to be showing you this recipe today. This is my favorite mashed potatoes recipe. I even like this better than my mom's and my grandma's, but don't tell them. The reason I love this recipe is because it is so delicious. It has a bunch of fresh flavors in it, it's creamy, and it tastes just incredible. And you can make this really fast. I can make this recipe in about 20 minutes, so it makes it the perfect side dish to have during the week when we have work and school. However, because it's so flavorful and it tastes so good, it's fancy enough to have for a holiday side dish too. I can't wait to show you this creamy red skin mashed potato recipe today, so let's get started. Once your water starts to boil, you're going to go ahead and gently lower the potatoes into it. And I like to use a good slotted spoon because it's just easier. If you dump these in, you're going to get splashed by boiling water, and nobody wants that. Once all the potatoes are in the pot, you're gonna go ahead and let that cook for 7 to 10 minutes. You wanna be able to easily get a fork through some of the bigger pieces that you have in your pot, and that's when you'll know they're done. Once you've strained the potatoes, you're gonna go ahead and put them back in the pot that you cooked them in. The second you get those potatoes back in that pot, you're gonna go ahead and add milk, butter, and sour cream. And then you're going to mash away. So it's going to start looking a little like this. And you're going to keep mashing. Every now and then you might want to mix to get some of those potatoes off the side. And mash some more. You guys can see how smooth these are now compared to how they were even just a minute ago. Once you have them nice and smooth, you're going to go ahead and add in chives, green onion, the bottoms of the green onion, not the tops. You're gonna reserve the tops for a garnish. Salt, and a little thyme. And then you're gonna go ahead and mix with a spoon. Before you decide you're done, give your potatoes a little taste test. I'm gonna use a different spoon to make sure they're tasting good. So good. I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper and maybe a little more salt too. And we're gonna taste them again with a new spoon. There it is. Once you have them how you want them, then you're gonna go ahead and plate your potatoes. To plate these, I like to put them in a shallow bowl, and then I like to top them with a little more thyme, a little more green onion, the tops of the green onions this time, and a few more chives. I also like to add a little butter on top The photos that I'm going to show you of this all finished have a bit of butter on top, but you probably don't need that much when you're eating these because they're so good that you don't want to cover up all the flavor with too much extra butter. Thank you guys so much for following along today. I hope that you love this recipe and that it becomes a family favorite. Also, I will have a link in the description to the full details for this recipe at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, please remember to subscribe to our channel to follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.